Hey there, Ryan Phillips here, and welcome to this demo video where I show you inside of social video ads. Inside of social video ads, you're going to learn how to drive traffic with Facebook video ads, YouTube video ads, Instagram video ads, LinkedIn video ads, and you're going to learn how to do this for your own business if you have your own products to sell, and also for local businesses if you want to do Facebook ads or YouTube ads for local clients. So let me show you inside the first class. The first class is the Facebook Ads Masterclass. Now you can see, if I fast forward on here, we show you over the shoulder, step by step. So this is completely beginner friendly. You're going to learn exactly how to set up Facebook ads in order to get leads and to get sales. Now, the second part of this is a bonus Facebook ads training with Frank Kern's Media Buyer. Now, this guy spends millions of dollars per month in ad spend, but inside of this training, he shows you how to start with as little as a few dollars per day. And again, he shows you step by step exactly how to set up the ad, how to create the video, how to do the targeting, so you can follow along over the shoulder. The second module is on YouTube video ads. Now, this is where I show you how to set up YouTube video ads in order to get leads and sales. Now, I break down exactly how to create the video ad script and the video. I also show you exactly, step by step, how to set up these ads inside of YouTube. So again, from a complete beginner, you can actually implement this and get very, very, very cheap views, leads, and sales. The third section of social video ads is how to set up ads with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is great for business to business. And again, inside of this training, we show you step by step so you can follow along over the shoulder. No one is teaching LinkedIn video ads, and you're going to get access to the training that's going to teach you how to do them via this course. And last but not least, the fourth core module in social video ads is how to do Facebook ads for local clients. And we have one of our coaches who's actually owns a $30,000 per month agency. And he shows you exactly, step by step, how to create the video ad and how to set up the video ad to get tons of leads and sales for local businesses. And again, I want to stress two things. Number one, this is follow along over the shoulder, step by step, simple. So anyone can do this regardless of experience. The second thing that I want to show you is that this training gets results. Here you can have a look at the traffic and sales that we've generated using video ads. You can see here, the video ad spend was $12.20 and we generated $2,991 back. Down here in Facebook, we spent $7,400 and generated $61,000 back. Down here, we spent $66,000 in YouTube ads and generated $135,000 back. Back into Facebook, we spent $2,000 on video ads and generated $18,000 back. Okay, $26 ad spend, $4,900 back in sales. And the results keep going and going. $600 in video ad spend on Facebook, $3,000 back. We're going to show you exactly how to do this step by step inside of social video ads. And what I want to stress also before we close out this demo video is that you can get started for as little as $2 per day. We only scale up our campaigns when we're making a positive ROI. So if we're spending $10 in a day and making more money back in profit, that's when we scale up. So you can start with a very low ad spend, and this literally is the difference that makes a difference when looking at creating a successful online business. We need to learn how to drive traffic that's going to convert, and that traffic that we're going to drive has to be targeted and cheap to buy. This is Ryan Phillips signing out. Make sure you check out the rest of the information on this page, and I look forward to seeing you inside of social video ads.